Hi there guys, and welcome back to Highlands Homemaker. If you're new here, my name is Lauren, and today I thought I would do a bit of a chatty catch-up vlog. This is not a video I've filmed before, but I think it's important. There's been a lot going on in my life, and it feels weird just being me that knows about it. So I thought I would update all of you. It'd be a chance for us to get to know each other a little better. So grab a cup of tea or, whatever beverage you like. I'm having a tea. And let's do it. So the first topic I wanted to talk about is getting married. So Ben and I got married on the 26th of June. It was beautiful. It was perfect. It was everything we wanted it to be. It was a very simple ceremony with our closest family. So it was just Ben's parents and my oma and my mum. They're in attendance and the celebrant. So it was really, really, really beautiful. We got photos done all day. I think we were up from like 7 in the morning getting hair and makeup and everything. We got ready and dressed together in the same room in our hotel. And then we just headed out for photos around the city, and it was really, really beautiful. We got married at the Piedmont Registry, which if anyone is looking for just simple ceremony, no fuss, no fluff, and you just want your closest people there, I could not recommend it more. It is brilliant. We had an incredible experience. Everyone is so kind and lovely to us. It was a really, really beautiful day. So if you're looking into that, you don't want your wedding to cost $1 billion, go ahead. It was about us, and that's what we wanted it to be. We didn't want it to be about, the 300 people that show up at a wedding. We wanted it to be about us and our love and our relationship together, and it was just perfect. So I'm married. Yay. The other thing that comes with being married is changing your name. So not necessarily, you don't have to change your name. It's not like a requirement or anything, but I wanted to do it. I wanted Ben and I to be a family, and I wanted that to be signified in our name. I want it to be our family name. So changing my name is a roller coaster. You think you've got the list. You think you've got everywhere you need to change it. And then all of a sudden something else pops up and you're like, oh my God, again, I have to change it again. Or the other thing is I had to change my email address. So if I ever have a daughter, and I think maybe one day she's going to get married and change her name, I'm going to tell her, do not put your last name on your email address that you previously had, because my goodness, now I've had to change my email everywhere that it's listed, which is a lot of places. So FYI for that one. But it's been good. They're like, do you want to change your title to Mrs.? And I'm like, yeah, I do. So it's been good as well, like, getting updated identity documents, things like that, and being able to say that I'm a Mrs. and change my last name. So that's another update. It's actually quite the process. I spent like a full day ringing the most important people, like Medicare, your license, that kind of thing. So electoral roll in Australia, you got to change your name. So yeah, I think I did the most important ones now. And it's just, following up, finding all the random ones I haven't changed yet. The next thing I wanted to update you on is kind of honeymoon. Not that I really have an update on the honeymoon, but we're currently looking into it. We have a bit of an issue with Ben's leave. He has this weird policy at work. You only get your 5 bonus days at the end of the year if you've taken all of your leave, and he only just got given his 5 bonus days. I don't know, and he needs to take leave over Christmas, like a shutdown period type thing. So we're still tossing up, like we might go to Japan, we might go to Europe, we might go to Tasmania, we might go, I don't know, Thailand, maybe. That's cropped up recently. But yeah, still not sure, but we're looking into where we're going to go. It's exciting. We've put away some monies for that, but we've just got to hang in there, figure out this leave thing, and then just get something booked, just so we know that it's actually going to happen. Yeah. I'm also in this kind of season of wanting to be looking after my body a little bit better. I think as you come into a new relationship, you know, you're going on dates, you're going out for dinner, you're meeting friends and family, there's food and there's drinks and there's fun. But I just want to get back on track and be more in tune with my body. I'm trying to choose foods at the grocery store that are going to support my hormone health. So that's been interesting. Just doing lots of research, really. I've been trying to go for a lot of walks lately, trying to get my 10,000 steps in. So that's been really good. So just, yeah, focusing a bit more on what does my body need? What does it want? Rather than giving it and feeding it things it probably doesn't want. Sort of looking into inflammation, the effects of microplastics a little bit, just understanding some things that I haven't really thought about too much recently. So it's good. I'm enjoying that kind of process at the moment as well. Then we have homemaking things that are helping me get through this time. So as you can imagine, it's been a crazy few weeks. We've been married 3 weeks now, almost 4. It's almost a month. So really what I've been trying to do is just keep on top of things, but so that it doesn't get too stressful. I find one of the things that I get really stressed about for some reason is my laundry. If there's too much of it, I kind of freak out. And recently the weather has been kind of unpredictable. It's winter here in Australia. We're in the middle of winter. Where I live, it got to nearly 0 degrees Celsius last night. So it's cold and it's been raining quite a lot. So I said to Ben, Ben, baby, we need a dryer, like now. And we used to have one when we lived in Sydney in our apartment, but we had to leave it there. So when we moved here to our house, our new home, our old, very old new home, we didn't have a dryer, but we had 2 washing machines. Yeah, this is what happens when you combine lives when you're a little bit older. And you're like, oh no, we have 2 washing machines and no dryer. But we survived at the start because we'd moved in spring. It was spring when we moved. So it was nice weather. It was sunny. It was fine. I could do my laundry. I could dry it out in the sun on the clothesline. So we looked it up. We got the same dryer as our washing machine. Do you know what I mean? Like the same series, the same brand, everything. And it's been a dream. I have used it 4 times now. Amazing. I don't know how I live without one. It's the best. So that's probably a little update there. But yeah, just trying to keep on top of my laundry. It's really helping me during this time, as well as keeping on top of the groceries. I mean, you've seen on my channel, I've done a few grocery hauls and things like that where I go to Aldi. We actually recently went to Costco. I didn't get a chance to film it, but we went the other day and oh my goodness, I feel so much better. Like there's stuff in my house now. I actually have bulk of a bunch of things that I need and I'm feeling a lot better about it. Like there's been a lot of products coming into our house, a lot of cards, gifts, things like that. And when you get a new thing, it's amazing. And then you go, okay, where do I put it? So there's been a bit of cupboard rearranging going on as well. Backing onto as well, what I was just saying about like trying to be a little bit more healthy, being more conscious about that kind of thing. We did go ahead and get a full set of pots pans, like saucepans from Costco as well. They're the Kirkland signature ones. They've got like a copper base. They're the best quality ever. Like I can feel it. Like you lift it up, it's heavy. It's heavy as, and I'm very excited to be using those. I got a bit of the heebie-jeebies about the like Teflon, the sort of non-stick stuff that's in our cookware. And I just went, we need to get rid of it. So we've gotten rid of it. We just chucked out all our old pots and pans and replaced them with these new Kirkland signature pots and pans. So you'll be seeing me use them in future cooking videos. If you're wondering like, oh, did she change her stuff? Yes, I did. I changed it. So all new there. So feeling good about that. Next thing I'm going to move on to actually is the utensils. I would like them to be wooden instead of plastic. So that's going to be the next one. I think I found some on Amazon that feel good. They look good. They seem like a good price for what they are. So definitely going to look into those as well. And yeah, just focusing on making sure my house is clean enough that my mind isn't hectic, basically, is where we're at with our homemaking at the moment. So I hope to bring you some more videos of that as well. I also have one in mind for the future where I declutter my wardrobe. It's giving me anxiety. Every time I open the cupboard, I'm like, so I might do that in a future video as well. So comment below if, you know, that's something that you would like to see. So I also wanted to talk a little bit about the future of the channel, some more video ideas, that kind of thing. So I really enjoy doing my cooking videos that you would have seen on my channel already, as well as grocery hauls. I think that the grocery hauls, it's a video that I personally really like watching myself. So I think I want to focus on making videos I actually know that I enjoy watching, and therefore I think that my viewers would like watching, as well as anything that I feel might be helpful for other people. Something where I might be teaching you something, or not even just teaching you something, but showing you my own experience. And if I'm showing my experience, then I feel like it will help other people through their own experience of the same thing. So, or a similar thing. So that's sort of where I'm at with that. Just wanting to have videos on my channel that make sense for the channel, but also make sense for me and where I'm at in my life and what I'm doing and what I'm up to, what I'm researching, what I'm learning about. So I really look forward to doing some more chatty catch-up vlogs like this, some more sit down, talk to the camera type style videos. So if you have any ideas for things that you would like to see as well, just let me know. I'd be really interested to see what you would like to see from me. But yeah, as I said, probably going to do a wardrobe declutter soon. So there's lots of things to look forward to on the channel, and I'm really, really glad that you guys are here. There's a small number of you at the moment, but I don't care how many of you there are. It's about the fun of the creative process for me, and just connecting with who is here and who would like to see what is next. So with that in mind, if you like this video, go ahead and click like. If you would like to subscribe to the channel to find out what I am going to be posting in the future, then please go ahead and do that. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for being here. Bye now.